Good morning, everyone. Thanks for checking out this forecast update. We have temperatures around 30 degrees this morning. A few clouds out there, but those will start to clear out as we go through the day and should see a good amount of sunshine. Looking at the forecast the next couple of days, it's going to be pretty nice around here. Seasonal temperatures, we should see a good amount of sunshine building in this afternoon. See temperatures this afternoon warming into the upper 40s. Tonight, clear skies, lows should drop into the 20s. And then as we go through the day on Tuesday, we'll see a lot of sunshine in the morning, a few more clouds in the afternoon, but look at the high temperatures tomorrow, getting up to around 50. So nice weather expected the next couple of days, and we will continue to see a warming trend as we go throughout the next several days as well. Temperatures tomorrow around 50. And then check out Wednesday. We have temperatures warming into the 60s for the afternoon. Could see a couple isolated showers, and then we'll see a chance for a few thunderstorms and more widespread rain coming in overnight Wednesday into early Thursday morning. And then check out Thursday. We have a high temperature of 72 degrees, the warmest day we've had since October 9th. And will be a chance for a few showers, but it looks like plenty of dry weather expected as well. Most of that rain will actually come Wednesday night while we are sleeping. And then Thursday, the big story is going to be the warmth and the wind. I do want to mention wind gust on Thursday could get as high as 45, 50 miles per hour, maybe even a little bit higher. So Thursday will become a very windy day. So despite the warmth, it will be quite windy. And then as we go into Friday, we turn things around in a big way. About 30 degrees colder for the high temperature Friday. A few late day sprinkles possible. The weekend right now looks fairly dry, but kind of chilly again. Back to the low 40s on Saturday, then upper 40s by the time we get to today on Sunday. But in the meantime, we're going to enjoy a little hint of spring as we go into midweek, and the rain won't be too widespread, so I think we'll have plenty of dry weather to get outside and enjoy it, so definitely recommend doing that as we go throughout the next several days. Thanks for watching this forecast. Hope you guys have a great day.